Nowadays, we use motor pumps to pump water from bore wells. But before this, we used to draw water with the help of these hand pumps. And even now, in some places, we are using it. Now, do you know how this works? I want to make a toy hand pump for yourself. It's simple. Let's get started. To make a hand pump, we require a rubber cork, any thin rod, a narrow tube, and a narrow tube with a decreased diameter at the center, and any marble or iron ball. Firstly, we have to make a valve. And to make a valve, we have to just put the ball into this tube, and our valve is done. The function of a valve is to allow the water to flow in one direction, and in this case we require water to move only upwards. Then we have to make a piston. To make a piston, we have to just attach this rubber cork at the end of this rod. Now we just have to assemble these parts. We have to attach the valve at the bottom and put the piston from the above into the tube. And we are done. Our hand pump is ready to use. Now let us understand how it works. When we pull the piston, the volume inside the tube increases. According to Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. So the pressure inside the tube decreases, and we know that the water flows from the region of higher pressure to the region of lower pressure, and hence the water moves upwards. The valve stores the water into the tube by restricting its downward motion, and when we repeat it continuously, the water gets pumped upwards, as you can see. Make a pump for yourself and enjoy with friends. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Thanks for watching.